What's up, UpKeepers? It's Release Friday. My name's Henry Prey. I'm the Senior Product Manager here at UpKeep, and I'm joined with Ryan.
What's up, everyone? My name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome again to another day of UpKeep Release Friday. We're really excited. We've got a good one for you guys today. The first one I wanted to talk about that I'm really excited to finally announce that we've been working on for a few months, actually, is our Coupa integration. What we've heard from so many of our customers is that they use Coupa for a lot of their purchase orders, and they also use UpKeep for their parts and inventory and all their work orders and preventative maintenance. But right now, there is a big disconnect between getting the two systems to talk to one another. Henry, thank you to you and the entire engineering team for releasing our brand new feature today, this Coupa integration. With the Coupa integration, what you'll be able to do is have a two-way sync between UpKeep and Coupa. You're going to be able to create a purchase order in UpKeep and also create a purchase order in Coupa without that double entry. And so what's really cool about that is it's not only going to push a new purchase order into Coupa. When you make these updates and update a purchase order in your Coupa system from your procurement team, they're also going to be able to get directly notified back in UpKeep as well. So those purchase orders back in UpKeep are going to get updated. The sync and the integration is really easy to set up. It's really just 2 clicks. You put in your API key and you hit sync and boom, you've got it. Your purchase orders are going to start syncing on a daily basis. It's really cool. On top of that, your parts and inventory will also get refilled and restocked as well in your UpKeep system. And the goal here again is really reduce the amount of friction that our customers have if you use both UpKeep and Coupa. We're really excited for this one. I'm also really excited for you to check it out as well.
On top of the integrations, for you UpKeepers, part of the reason we went with Coupa is because you guys were the ones asking for it. We hear a lot of feedback, so keep sending in feedback on other integrations that you might want to see UpKeep make. Speaking of reducing friction, some of the other releases that we've made in the last week are all around reducing friction on our mobile and web experience. So we're fixing and adding in a lot of really cool drag and drop functionality. So you can upload files into your UpKeep system, upload various images, and it's a lot easier. The other side on the mobile is that you can actually see the create purchase order, create work order, create meter. All of these creation buttons are much more easy to see following not only the UpKeep colors, but correct accessibility for our application, which is really exciting. The last thing I want to talk about, which is not necessarily a product release, but a release that we're doing with the product team, and that's a new webinar series. Once a month, we're going to be doing a What's New with UpKeep webinar series, where we do deep dives into all the things that we talk about on these Release Fridays. So you can see how you can take actionable insight from this webinar and position it so you can do your job better using UpKeep. And that's it for Release Friday, I think, this week.
All right. Well, that's really exciting. Again, you've got our second work from home edition of our Release Friday. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.
Absolutely. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everyone.